PinSafe is a decentralized Pinterest. PinSafe is a decentralized image sharing and content aggregation platform where users can not only control the content but also the platform itself. The idea for PinSafe was inspired by our experience using monolithic online applications where users had limited control over their data and content. We saw an opportunity to use decentralized technologies to create a platform that would give users full control over their data and content, and that would also provide a secure and open platform for users to discover, share, and monetize their content. To build PinSafe, we had to learn about decentralized technologies and the different trade-offs when building a decentralized application. We explored existing decentralized platforms and technologies and identified the key features that would make PinSafe a success, including the decentralized feed, decentralized identity, upgradeable storage, and smart contracts. We also implemented Lit Actions with PKPs, a new feature that creates secure programmable key pairs for users and associates it with various actions. Throughout the process, we faced several challenges, including understanding the complexities of decentralized technologies and finding ways to incentivize users to use the platform. We also had to ensure that the platform was resilient and secure. In the end, we were able to build a platform that gives users full control over their data and content and provides a secure and open platform for users to discover, share, and monetize their content. We are excited to see how PinSafe will revolutionize the way people share content online. So here's our demo. So here you can see the decentralized feed of our application. These are the decentralized posts that are actually integrated ERC-721 tokens with decentralized identity smart contract, which I think is 725. So during the Orbis hackathon, we've implemented the fetcher infinite query where we fetch 5 posts from the application and then fetch another 5 posts and another 5 posts. So this smart contract is actually deployed on Phantom at the moment, and it's on the Gitcoin Phantom round 1. So I mean, here are like a lot of details, but we'll just start from the okay, so this one is actually the first post of the decentralized Pinterest. So this one is actually the feed of messages from Orbis, and we've implemented Lit Actions PKP. So for example, you can post an image that is only available for the owners of the PinSafe NFTs, and it will actually be encrypted for the non-owners. So in this case, we've actually see all the posts, right? And so in this case, you can actually see that these images are encrypted, and this user cannot see the encrypted messages unless we make a post and upload an NFT, essentially. So, but the user can actually react to messages. So, for example, we like this post. Yep. And we can send reactions of haha to encrypted message, or we can actually just download it because it's encrypted. Oh, this one is actually not encrypted, so yeah, we download the not encrypted message. Here is essentially the second post of our pin safe. So we can also interact with the profiles and the users that have posted the images through their decentralized identity. So in this instance we have a pin safe, our accounts, and with an avatar image displayed here. So as the owners of the IDs, we can also change the username. We can upload a profile picture from the URL, or just straight drag the image here and click on the, we just drag an image here essentially, and it will be displayed here, and for other users to see essentially. So the most important feature of our application is that we upload a new post, enter a title, description. We can also give this to somebody else, and we've also, it's a similar mechanism of drag an image, and it will be displayed on the home page. And as the owners of this NFT, we can actually post a message on the public board